Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your public profile name on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon, which you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. This action will take you to your profile page, where you can then locate and select the My Public Profile option to proceed. After reaching your public profile screen, look for the three horizontal dots icon, usually positioned in the top right corner. Tap these dots to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, you will need to select Edit Profile. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the fields where you can make changes to your public display name. Now that you are in the Edit Profile section, you will see a field displaying your current public profile name. Tap on this field to activate the keyboard. Carefully type in your new desired public profile name. Remember, this name is what others will see when they view your public profile, so choose something that accurately represents you. Once you are satisfied with your new public profile name, locate and tap the Save button, typically found at the bottom of the screen. Your changes will be applied instantly, and your public profile will now display your updated name. Keep in mind that you can only change your public name once every 7 days, so choose wisely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.